All right, guys, we're gonna try and get this video to 2,000 likes, and 3 random commenters and subscribers will receive a beautiful Woodness Goodness t-shirt. All right, back to the build. Hey everybody, welcome to Woodness Goodness and welcome back to the greenhouse build. My father-in-law is gonna be home in 4 days time, and so far all we got is our structure up. If you're new here, it is 12 feet by 20 feet. Making it all with pressure treated for the most part. My roof rafters are regular because hopefully if I know how to do my roofing correctly, they won't see much weather. My studs are 32-inch spacing because that gives me room for these windows I've collected for a long time to fit in between those studs. However, this is day 2 of the build and we've realized that my stud spacing is 32 inches on center, meaning this side of this stud to this side of that stud is 32 inches. And I have 1.5 inches 2x4 to make up for. So I'm going to be cutting off strips off of each of my windows in order for them to fit in here, which is unfortunate, but that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Yeah, without further ado, let's start fitting in some windows here and get after it, shall we? Bingo bongo. Oh, be sure to like and subscribe so you see more of this. All right, we're going to start our windows 2 feet up, because that gives us room to put kind of a protective sheet, either metal or plastic or maybe polycarbonate, but we just don't want windows there. It's too close to the ground, and our windows are not treated wood, and they're already 100 years old, so. Okay, here we go. My windows that are 32 inches wide, but my openings are not. Oh man, you know what though? Right on the grooves is where I'm cutting. So we're gonna, well, I should probably put my windows lower, eh? Maybe I start at the top. We're changing our idea as we go here. Come on, baby. That's what we're gonna do. Start at the top, put our sills in, totally backwards, but we wanna make these windows work. That looks pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty good for eyeballing it. I mean, do you expect anything less? All right, it's roof time. We're pretty happy with everything so far. We're gonna add more windows to this side wall over here, but for now, we're gonna get a roof on this thing. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta strap it, and I'm strapping it with 1x4. That gives me horizontal, or pieces that run the length of the greenhouse, some more rigidity, more strength, more science. too shabby. I think I'll probably have to put one more thing of strapping because the gap between this one and the next one is significant. There he is. All right, we're strapped up. I guess I still have to trim these bad boys, don't I? For now, we'll just run our roof to our last strip here. So we're gonna go ahead and put our polycarbonate sheet up, super easy. I've got the rubber gasket screws. Because it's plastic, you gotta be careful not to, tighten the screws too hard. Even though they have the rubber, it's plastic, you don't wanna damage it. I think I'm gonna have to walk on this thing up here. Don't try this at home, folks. Gotta concentrate. If it can support me, it can support a raindrop. Hey everybody, it's me, Graham. So, I don't know why I find this funny, but you guys are so good at helping me figure things out, figure life out. You're really my form of therapy. So thank you for all of you kind commenters and those who give me little tips and tricks in the semi-professional amateur world. So yes, this is a very long span for a 2x4 rafter. It's funny, I never thought of it before, but yeah, no, you're 100% correct. It is a very long span for a 2x4 rafter. And we do get snow once in a while, yet it's not always a lot of snow. I say that even though I lost like 8 trees on my property because the snow was heavy enough, but that's besides the point. So, I've come up with a system, because we need to continue to save money, because I don't want this to get too expensive. But we are going to create a support system in here that will go from the sidewall all the way to that sidewall, and it will support the whole center of the 2x4 rafters. That should be strong enough. I've already walked on it, and it actually doesn't bow down that much when I walk on it. But still, time can be very brutal on us and reveal its darkest secrets in our most prized construction projects. So anyhow, don't worry, I'm fixing that. I also have to tie in the rest of the roof at the top here. I'm gonna do that very soon. Again, I can only fit so much into each episode, and I can also only do so much in a week. I've got a lot on the go. Anyhow, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys are enjoying this greenhouse build. I know it's not perfect, but neither am I. I'm just trying one step at a time here. So, still quite a bit to do, but hopefully we tie this up on the next episode. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Mwah. Peace.